Might not be a tornado, but that wind is going to do some damage. Hey y'all, I can get in the closet.
Is it looking?
I believe there's one close. I'd at least get her in the closet.
Yeah. Go get the closet.
Hang on, I'm going to set this down so I can live stream this. I'm going to have to step back. I don't like getting wet. There goes the siren. I ain't gonna go all the way in until I hear it, but I believe it is here. If I sound excited, that's because it's a tad bit spooked. Tornadoes will do that to you. I'm going to try once again to live stream. I give up and headed for the house when it got a little bit spooky. Cause, yeah, why wouldn't you? See what we can see over here. I don't know if it's an actual tornado on the ground. Don't act like it. Man, that wind just struck. Get in there, cat. You don't want out here. My kitty wants outside, but I don't think she does. Kitty, you get in the house. Come on, kitty. You get in the house. You got no sense. We've already declared that I ain't got none. You supposed to have some. Yeah, meow, go in there. Now the sirens are down. I'm going to get a little bit brave and walk right back over here. That's what I call exciting. Sorry about that. If there's anybody in there, I don't know if there's anybody watching me there. Yep, there's the wind again. Dang it, Bobby. Balance, I wouldn't mind standing over, but I don't got very good balance, and that wind is strong. That gust is probably 25, 30 mile an hour, if not more. Surprised don't see shit blowing. I know I keep saying, but I keep walking over here. We already decided that.
How you holding up, brother?
I think it's over with right now. Still pretty windy though.
Oh yeah, it is.
Freaked me the fuck out. I won't mind telling you that. That wind got strong, like blew me down.
Oh yeah, damn, must
I'll show you some videos when I get it done. I think this wind, I'm gonna shut it down. I'm soaked.